part 3 and final in my Irish birthday book haul. This one could almost speak for itself. It's very beautiful, as you can see. It has the colour illustrations, and in it you will also find the maps with all their detail translated into Irish. In the front of the book, we can see that the translator, Nicholas Williams, has also done Irish versions of Alice in Wonderland and Through the Looking Glass. Have you come across those? Though there are many great works written in the Irish language, it can be helpful when you're learning to read classic works that have come from your own language into Irish because you're familiar maybe with the stories already. I haven't read this book in English since I was 14 though, so how much of it will I remember? This is about goals for me rather than realities. It's above my current reading level. Do you try to read things a little bit harder than you can manage? Let me know your thoughts on reading as a means of language acquisition and study.